Kasama na naman kami sa vlog mo.
Nandito na po tayo sa Al-Arab International School Academy para tunghayan ang aming basketball tournament dito sa Doha, Qatar. So ito yung Al-Arab International School. Ito yung nasa likuran. Pasok tayo sa basketball gym. Tara, let's go. So ayan, tayo sa loob. Medyo natagal lang kami kasi halos 20 minutes kami naligaw. Naligaw yung aming mga kasama. So ang tagal namin. So nandun na sila lahat. Ito yung ating mga kasama natin.
Shout out sa pinakamamahal ko dyan! Ganda ng mga nanatira.
Pili ang itim. Halatang halata. Pili. Sabi si Marvin, bakasyon ba? Tapos na yan na. Ano bakasyon ba? Ang lalaki. Blue team! All run, second, are you? Q1, Q1. Black win, habibi. Katawan team! Katawan team! Number one katawan lang. Black team. Go.
Number 12, Natalie. Number 45, Ababat. 17, De La Cruz. Number 5, Equipado. Number 23, Barreras. Number 2, Charles. And number 2.
Yung isang videographer natin, no? Si... okay.
Okay lang kayo.
And of course, Mr. Ferdinand, Mr. Ibrahim. Thank you very much, sir. Okay, let's give our microphone to our Kenya manager. Okay. Palakpakan natin ang ating manager. Ngayon naman po si ating manager, Mr. Ibrahim. You have a lot of members in Qatar. Okay, let's hear from Qatar for Mr. Ferdinand.
For allowing us to play this tournament, for giving us, of course, the budget. Of course, we like to congratulate Mr. Omar for helping us. We know the support of Mr. Omar, this dreams will really come true. Of course, we would like to support Mr. Great Ansari for running our meet for helping us. Mr. Muhammad, thank you also for coming home.
Okay, we would like to hear some words coming from our manager from Qatar 3.
Ayun no, kasama na naman kami sa vlog mo. Oo, sir.
Calling Sir Alex for the players. Ano yung maglalaro tonight first?
It's a draw. It's a draw slot. Who will be the first? Now, before we start, guys, we have sport guys and abide by the decision.
Ayan, magsisimula na po yung ating game, official game. Meron tayong black team. So ito yung ating mga black team. Doon yung blue team. Ito yung blue team.
Number 1 and number 2 will be the first game.
Ito yung ating blue team.
Okay guys, punot na kayo. Punot.
Green team. Yan!
Okay, please. Sorry, I lost. I don't know what's that on. What number? 4. So you're the second game.
Game 2. All of you. Coming.
One more time.
Coming.
Sama kayo, sir. Sama kayo, sir. Andy, Mapi, Waki. Waki. Tayo po. Okay lang.
We can do also on the wiki.
Okay. Almost there.
Diyos, nakakabigat yan.
Oh, sir. Hindi ka pala.
Hindi naman ice cream.
Yan.
Hi!
Dito muna, dito.
Souvenir to, 2020 ano. Souvenir ng 2025. Okay, mamaya ako. Ilang. Wala ka yan.
Game 3. Game 2.